Welcome to the English Crush.
Hi, I bought these headphones here 3 days ago, and they're already broken.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's the problem?
The left side stopped working completely.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you prefer a replacement or a refund?
A replacement, please, if you have the same model.
Let me check. Yes, we have one in stock.
That's great. Do I need to sign anything?
Just this form, please. Name and signature here.
Done. How long is the new one under warranty?
1 full year from today.
Hello. I'm glad you could come. I'm Olivia, your agent.
Hi, Olivia. Nice to meet you. This area looks lovely.
It's very popular. Shall we go inside?
Please. How many rooms does it have?
2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a large living room and an open kitchen.
Lovely. Which floor is it on?
3rd floor, and there's a lift.
Good. Is parking included in the rent?
1 parking space is included, yes.
And how are the neighbors?
Very quiet. Mostly young professionals.
That's ideal. I'll think it over and call you tomorrow.
Of course. Take your time. Here's my card.